Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Today we're going to draw the kind and beautiful and very pink ruler of the Mushroom Kingdom, Princess Peach. Princess Peach starred in the original 1985 Super Mario Bros. Game and has gone on to appear in more video games than any other female character. Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Princess Peach. We're going to draw Princess Peach step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw her again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Peach is just about 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall her head is, her entire body is about 4 of those, not counting her crown. Alright, so let's start with that roadmap for Princess Peach. So there's our roadmap for Princess Peach. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Peach's eyes, mouth, nose, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Princess Peach's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Princess Peach. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Princess Peach. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Princess Peach. Alrighty, there she is, the ruler of the Mushroom Kingdom, Princess Peach. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Peach before, you cannot expect to have drawn her perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring her during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Princess Peach. And with that, you can draw her again and again. And by all means, color her when you're done. I promise each time you draw her, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step of what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Princess Peach. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.